A family of products designed to be easily installed and work seamlessly together to provide complete and customizable communication solutions. ADECIA. Over 130 years in the making, using collective knowledge, technology, and research to solve today's communication challenges, overcome challenges with implementation, configuration, and room acoustics. All components required for successful installation for the communication spaces of today and tomorrow. ADECIA offers dynamic multi-beam tracking technology, constant live tracking beam support for lively discussions, no dead spots, no programming fixed lobes, room setup flexibility, no need to pre-program lobes when design changes. Yamaha world-class acoustic technologies. Human voice activity detection identifies and eliminates noise to capture and send human speech clearly. Capture voice for natural communication. Best quality Yamaha audio, designed and tuned for easy installation and use. Reduce time, spend, and complexities. Enables single cable connection for seamless integration with Dante and PoE technology. Auto-detects installed components. Auto-configures devices into coherent solutions. Auto-measures and optimizes audio performance for room audio environment for smaller or larger spaces. Supporting USB, Bluetooth, aux-IO, SIP telephony. Customizable for flexibility with open interfaces. Crystal clear, worry-free remote communications. ADECIA.